Alright, we're going to be reviewing a new type of exercise today. This is great if you have a home workout, you need to get something done quickly, you're at the gym, everybody's on the machines, you really want to get a little cardio in on what you're doing, and this is going to keep you moving, and you're going to be in functional movement patterns, meaning you're doing things that replicate movements you do every day in your real life. And you're strengthening through it because you're training your body to move well and move consistently as you go through each of the exercises. So I want you to do these, and we're going to do, our first set's going to be 10 reps, and then we're going to go down to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and finally your last set is only going to be 1 rep. By the end, you're going to have done 55 reps, but you won't even have known that you were doing it because the most you're ever going to do at one time is 10 reps. So you can do it. Let's go. Alright, first exercise, one of my all-time favorites. I could seriously do these every single day. It's your basic squat. Now you're going to start hip width apart. You're going to drop your butt down behind you and come back up. So let me show you from the side. Hip width apart, drop your butt down and back. Chest is forward towards the wall in front of you and come back up. And as you'll see, I bring my hips up and through every time I come up. So I'll show you a few reps. Okay, your first set's 10 times. That's the most you're ever going to do, and you can do it. Next, we're going to do a basic sit-up. Now, if you can't do this, you can do the crunch, but give this a try. Knees bent in front of you. Go back down to the ground and come back up. Elbows touch your knees. Back down to the ground. Elbows touch your knees. Okay? Our first set is 10 reps, and you got this. Next, we're going to do some push-ups, and I'm going to give you a modified version because I really want you to learn how to do these right and safely. Alright? If you're more proficient at it, go ahead and do the full version. But I'm going to show you this to start. Hands under your shoulders. Back is straight. Head is down. I'm not dropping my head. I'm not arching up. Okay, I'm just looking straight down at the ground. And you're going to go down and up. Take your chest down and up. Okay, 10 reps of that. After you do those, we're going to stand up and we're going to do some lunges. And I'm just going to have you going forward and back. We're not going to walk anywhere at this point. We're just going to learn how to do them right. So you're going to step forward and step back. Step forward and step back. Okay, I'll do them so you can see the side view. Step forward and step back. Step forward. Whoops, see, even I lost my balance. Step forward and step back. Now, one step forward with the left, one step forward with the right, that's 1 rep. You're doing 10 your first round. Alright, after that, I want you to find a medicine ball. It doesn't have to be heavy, and if you're at home, you can use anything. Use a gallon of milk, use a dumbbell turned upside down. I'm using a volleyball just for an example, but I want you to do this with something slightly weighted. Could be 5 pounds, it doesn't have to be heavy. Come up to it, just like you would have done for a squat. I want you to come up to it, and I want you to squat down, I want you to pick up the ball. And then I want you to bring it up to your chest, and then I want you to put it back on the ground. And I want you to do that 10 times. If any of you have kids, that's a great exercise. Okay? The next one is dips. We're going to be here, and I just want you to come here. It's almost like a sit-up, but your arms are behind you, and you're going to bring your body up, bend at your elbows, and come back up. 10 times. This is all we're doing. Alright? And that's your whole first round of exercises. So you're going to do 10 reps of each of those, followed by 9 reps, followed by 8 reps, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Like I said, by the end, you'll have done 55 reps, and I tell you what, you're not even going to know you did it. You'll get a great workout. You're going to feel your heart rate up. You're going to sweat. And it's going to be something that's rewarding. And you're going to find that you can do workouts pretty much anywhere. So give this a try. Let me know what you think. And I'll be back with more tips.